Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you'll be watching this video from. My name is Irene. Guys, in case you are coming across this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing, guys, this amazing video. So today is another super special day. It's actually on Sunday, and the time is around 1. And yes, I'm here heading somewhere. That is me. I'm going somewhere, so I would like to take you along with me. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, keep watching this video to the end, and after watching this video to the end, please leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this video. So thank you so much and enjoy the video, guys. This is I'm actually in Nyamira town. See, that's the main road. We have the police station down there. That is, but the office is on the other side. This is where like they lives. So I am right here. I'm actually going somewhere very far from home. Maybe I'll be back in the evening, so I want to take you along with me, guys, so that you see what's happening here. So we are here. That is where we walk, and this is the road where the vehicles and motorbikes. Yeah, today being on a Sunday, we don't have like a lot of people in town. Some maybe went to church, some that are at home with their families, and actually it's a holiday here. It's Madaraka Day. Yes, it is Madaraka Day. So we have a long holiday, very long one, till Monday. Monday, even those people who are working, like those ones who have their government jobs, even schools. There's no school even tomorrow till on Tuesday. Yes, so that is it. This is Nyamira town, guys. Later on I will be getting a motorbike, because where I'm heading to, there's no vehicle which goes to that side because of the roads. The roads are so bad, so mostly we use motorbikes. Yeah, yes. So I'm right here, so please guys keep watching this video to the end. Yes, so this is public works. You will find the trucks, those ones that build the roads, inside that place. It seems like this rain is gonna come any minute from now. You see, this is still public works, and around here we have we have this, the Guardian. This one is direct from Nairobi. This one right here, direct from Nairobi. It is from Nairobi, and it is going to those sides of Oyugis, meaning like people have traveled from Nairobi to the village. Yes. So guys, I'm on a motorbike. Yes, so guys, I'm here, right here, on a motorbike, and I'm heading somewhere. I'm reaching the biscuit. I don't know how it looks like. And at the same time, you might not be able to hear me because of the wind. A lot of wind. A lot of it's not even the correct English. Yeah, so around here, this is the name of this place. We're actually heading to I've even forgotten. Like I've even forgotten the name of this place. But it is in Nyamira. We're in Nyamira town, Nyamira County. This is Borabu. We have a very nice Borabu County hotel over there. Very old one, but very nice. Yeah. This is Tente actually. I even forgot. This is Tente, and we have a top 10 driving school. Yeah, so enjoy the video, guys, and enjoy the amazing views. and it has, it was like earlier, it was like it might rain any minute, but now, you see, clouds, but it will rain at night. That is the funny thing about here. If it starts raining now, it will rain till even at midnight. Yeah. So this is the town where, when the rain, when it rains, it will rain even 2 days non-stop. So that is how God has blessed us in a very big way. So this is Tente. Then from here we will be in Konati. Then from Konati I'll be heading to very remote areas. I will be back again today. Yeah. So we have another hospital here known as Kinara Hospital right here. Whenever I see this place, I remember my grandmother. When my grandmother, my grandmother was very sick for a long time. She stayed in that hospital for 6 months. Then she died. So whenever I pass here, I remember my grandmother. Around here we have someone is building that big house. That one there. St. George's, Nyamira School. Right there. That big school actually. When we were in school during those days, we used to compete with this school. Because me, I went to Saturday primary, known as Nyangoso Primary School. By that time, Nyangoso really used to perform very, very better, very nice. So we used to compete with the school. There is Bisam School, we have St. George's, we have a number of schools. And you see here, this one is this side. Pump ahead. Yeah. So yes, this and the pump is right here. See? It means Safia pump ahead. Yes. Someone is making very nice chairs over there. I'm telling you, the weather is so cool, but so cold. You have the petrol station over there. And also a big bus coming from Nairobi, Nyamira Express. That one just come from Nairobi. Konate, they were roundabout right here. So going to that side, you can go to Kisii Town, Nairobi, all those places. Now, for us, we're heading to this side. This one also goes to Kericho, Ewirigo, Honge, all those, even Nairobi. If you go to Nairobi, via Sotik. around this place. And one thing you need to know is that around here, so many people who have built very nice houses right here. They bought lands and they decided to invest in building the good houses. Yes. This one is coming from Nakuru. That in the sun over there. Yes, so guys, I'm back again. I went very far, but I'm back to Nyamira town. I'm actually heading home, and this is what you can see right here. It's around 7:40. Yeah, people are heading back home, and yes, this is what is happening. Yeah, this is what is happening. It's rush hour here in our town. Yeah, and I'm really happy. You see, some few days ago, the border riders, they did a protest because of the security lights. We had no security lights, but now you can see the security lights. Is it the security lights or the street lights? It's not even the correct English, but you can see now the town has started to improve. Yeah, and that is my happiness, you know. So that is it. And I will be ending this video in the next few minutes. So please keep watching this video to the end and subscribe to the channel. So guys, I'm right here and it is very dark. Not really that dark, but I'm right here, and I just want to end this video by saying thank you so much for the wonderful support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like the video, share, and after watching this video to the end, please leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this video. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.